Everybody, this is Ms Fran. Welcome again to another video class. Today we have a little bit of change in the setting. I am not in my regular classroom. I am somewhere else because we're going to be cooking. I have here one of the instruments or implements that I'm going to use because we are going to prepare a Sunday Mother's Day breakfast for our mummies. So this class, we're going to use it to practice, and maybe on Sunday with your brothers or sisters or daddies, you are going to prepare for mom. Okay? So let's begin. I'm going to change the setting on my camera, so you're going to be facing my table for you to see what I'm doing, okay? So today's cooking class, we are going to be doing some pancakes. These pancakes will be special because they will have the shape of a heart. So for this cooking class, we need a bowl to put all our ingredients. We need a fork to smash the banana. We need a spoon to measure the flour. I'm going to add M&Ms here. I cut them in 4 pieces. I'm going to use a banana. I'm going to use an egg and 1 spoon of flour. So now we are going to proceed to put the banana in the bowl. Okay, so I'm going to take the banana. I'm going to put it here. Come on, banana. I'm going to take the other part and the last one over here, like this. And now I'm going to smash it, and we smash until it is like this. It looks like a puree. It is okay if you have some pieces of banana. It's going to taste even better, so don't worry. So to reach all the places, I'm going to be rotating my bowl like this. And once we are ready to go, our banana will look shiny and like squishy, like this. Now we are going to add the egg over there. Okay, so I have my egg in here already. Since I'm holding a camera, I could not show you how to open it, but mommies and daddies know how to do it because they are so wise. So for this part, you can say, Mommy and Daddy, can you help me please? Or you can tell to your daddies. That way they can help us to prepare the surprise for mommy. So it's going to look like this. What I'm going to do now to give more consistency, that means to look not too liquidy, I'm going to add the half of another banana and then the spoon of flour over there. So now here I continue smashing. You see, now it doesn't look like water anymore. It is more consistent. And always remember to smash with your fork, or you can use a special thing that mommies use to smash potatoes. I bet it's in the kitchen. You see? Very good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spoon of flour and I'm going to put it in here. And I'm going to mix. Wow, it looks great. And once I am done mixing all my ingredients in my bowl in here, I'm going to add my chocolate chips. If you have chocolate chips, it's going to be even better. Today I bought M&Ms on the store because my mommy loves M&Ms. So as you're going to prepare this for your mommies, I'm going to do it as well for mine. You see, here it is ready. We need to turn it around to check if it's all mixed. Yes, perfect. Now I'm going to take the M&Ms and I'm going to put them in. Only a tiny bit. It doesn't have to be so many of them. That way they are cooked. The banana is sweet already, so this will give an extra punch of flavor, but not so many. Remember that we need to eat healthy. Okay, so now I'm going to take my spoon, and this is going to be the portion of mixture that I'm going to put in the, like this, in my pan. So now I'm going to put them to fry, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, so now that our pancakes are done, I have them here. You see the chocolate and stuff. I am going to proceed to put it on a plate. I also cut some oranges over here to put them with our breakfast. So I use a mold with the shape of a heart to cut our pancakes. I'm going to put one pancake and a piece of orange, another pancake and another orange, and one more to put it on top. You see, I'm going to take my mold, going to put it here, and I'm going to press very well until I have my shape, and I'm going to put it here. So this is it. I have also another heart made out of orange. I can put it on a side. I also have some chocolate crumbs, and I'm going to put them on top, and that is it. You can also put some flowers, maybe prepare some tea or coffee, and maybe a little sweet. You can add some honey or anything that makes this sweeter and as you want. So I hope that you like this cooking class. I hope that your mommy loves this Mother's Day breakfast, and see you in the next class. Bye bye.